This is your main entryway into your main living room area. Nice vaulted ceilings. You have speakers in the walls. Perfect area for entertaining. Off to the left, you've got one wing of the house with a couple of bedrooms and bathroom. And then off to the right, you have another wing, which includes the master as well as the kitchen, dining area, and additional office space. So I will walk into the main master bedroom, walk-in closet as you can see in the background, as well as an additional closet over here. You have a beautiful bathroom. Ultra chic. Heading right back out into the dining area and off to the kitchen area. Custom cabinetry. Beautiful large island. You have a pantry area. Then we have your 2-car garage. The space can be either left as a garage, or if you wanted to later on in the future turn it into an additional living space, you definitely can finish it up. And then in this end, we have a nice office space with the laundry area. Okay, so this area you can either leave it as an office space, or you could turn it into one of the bedrooms. You have closet in that little area right there, and leading with your French doors to the back of the property. We'll place you on a brief pause, and I'll meet you guys back out in the...
Just be careful.
All right, guys, check this out. You are going to love it, and your kids are going to love you for it too. Tell me this is not the perfect hangout area. Place all the kids, all of their video games and everything over here. They'll enjoy the space, and you might even get them to go outside. All right, but before we go outside, let's go downstairs. Finished basement with plenty of space. This can be your additional bedroom areas if you really wanted to put additional bedroom areas. If you wanted to have maybe one of the one part of the family down here, that way they have their own little escape, their own little area. That'd be great. You have additional storage space right underneath the stairs as well. And this is what I would call the perfect wine cellar. As you can see, it is completely lined at the top and on the walls and on the bottom. So this would be a perfect area for having all of your great wines and store them in there and keep them in a very great temperature controlled area. Then if we work our way this way, we have your electrical panels as well as your gauge, as well as for the solar panel as well. And then on this side, we have your tankless water heater, your sump pump, and additional little storage space. So these are your hubs of the house. All right, I'll place you on another brief hold and I'll meet you upstairs. All right, guys, we're back at the hangout area. And you have your full bath, very easily, conveniently located within very easy access to the backyard area. So let's take a quick peek before we finish out the rest of the wing of the house. Tell me this is not an entertainer's dream. You have not one, not two, but 3 different entryways from inside the house to get to the backyard. And the backyard is definitely a great site to hold. Okay, plenty of entertaining space. And this space back here, if you absolutely wanted to change it up, you can board it up, close it up, and add this as an additional guest space. Make it like a guest house or a guest retreat. And what house can you say has their own private bird sanctuary? Tell me this is not cool. All right, guys. So I'll meet you guys back inside. All right, guys. So we're right back inside, enjoying the view as we go to the other wing of the house. And yes, I can call it a wing. As we start into the puppy's room. And then right across we have one of the children's room. Great closet size. Next to that we have another one of the children's room. Again, similar closets. Right in between you have your main bath. Beautiful custom work. And then finishing out with the last bedroom. Alright, so I hope you enjoy the inside tour. And now we're going to enjoy the grandeur that is the whole lot of the house, which is, as you saw, the backyard. That's only a portion of the yard. Now we're going to go see the rest of it. I'll see you guys outside. All right, guys, so we're outside of the home now. And take a look at this grandeur. Very lovely home. And just for size reference, you can see the lonely little car. Still plenty of space to the left and plenty of space to the right. We're talking a parking area of at least 12 to 15 cars here. That's not including this back here. All of this area is still part of this house. So right back so you can remember the backyard area. And now you can see the rest of it. Huge lot. Huge. They've got a chicken coop right over there. Property line goes up to the fence line according to the owner. A little shed for some extra tool storage. And the property line ends all the way at that back fence area. To the right fence area over there. Back fence over there. Left side fence over there. So you can literally build another house back here if you wanted to. Or an Olympic-sized swimming pool. Or even a soccer field. Or a soccer field and a pool. You let me know what's best for you. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed the tour. Let me know what you guys think. Bye.